Hi, P4 students. Welcome to our Math 4 class, and this is Miss Claire. Welcome to Chapter 4. It talks about time. So, in this video, you will learn Lesson 1, Tell Time on Digital and Analog Clocks, and Lesson 2, Use Timetables in 12-hour and 24-hour notation. Okay, P4, are you ready to learn this new lesson? Come on, let's get started. I have here a picture of children. They are in a movie house. They are going to watch a movie. Look at the screen. It shows the movie, the runtime, which is 100 minutes, and it has three show times. We have 12:15, 14:25, and 17:35. So again, how long is the movie? Yes, this is 100 minutes. Is 100 minutes longer than 1 hour or shorter than 1 hour? So look at the different show times. This kind of time is what we call 24-hour notation. It does not show AM and PM. Okay, so in this video, I will explain later what are 24-hour notation. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's start with lesson 1. Tell time on digital and analog clocks. The learning outcome for this lesson is to read and record time accurately in digital notation 12 and 24-hour and on analog clocks. So I have here three pictures of clocks. The first picture, it shows an analog and digital clocks for 1:15. On the second clock, it shows the analog also and the digital clocks for 6:02. And on the third clock, it shows 9:46. So are these clocks same? Are they the same time or not? Okay, let's continue. Analog clocks and digital clocks. Ali wants to know the time. He looks at the clocks in his house. So Ali has two kinds of clock, analog clock and digital clock. In analog clock, it shows 1:30. In digital clock, it shows 13:30. Can you tell whether it is morning or afternoon from the analog clock? Okay, so 1:30, that is in the afternoon. Why? Because the digital clock shows 13:30. Remember, these two clocks have the same time. What is the same and what is different between these clocks? So these two clocks shows the same time. Now, Ali writes the 12-hour time and 24-hour time he sees on the clocks in his house. Fill in the missing times. Take a look here. So we have time in 12-hour clock and time in 24-hour clock. Take a look. When we use the 12-hour clock, we use AM for times from midnight to just before noon time. So this one. So 12 a.m. until 11 a.m., we will use AM. That is for from midnight and before noon time. We will use PM after noon time and before midnight. So we use PM for times from noon to just before midnight. So let's compare the 12 times or the 12-hour times and 24-hour times. What patterns do you see? Okay, now let's find the missing times. Take a look. So we have 4 a.m. Take a look, children. If 12 a.m., that is 00 o'clock in 24-hour clock. If 1 a.m. is 1 o'clock, then we have 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So if that is 4 a.m., that is 4 o'clock. If 10 a.m., that is 10 o'clock. How about if it is 6 p.m.? So what have you noticed, children? So from 1 a.m., they are the same, but In 24-hour clock, we will not use AM. 11 a.m. is 11 o'clock. 12 p.m. or 12 noon is 12 o'clock. When it is already 1 p.m., we will use 13. It means we just continue the time or the number. So from 12 is 13. If 2 p.m., we continue, that is 14. 3 p.m., 15. 4 p.m., 16. 5 p.m. is 17. So how about 6 p.m.? That is 18 o'clock or 18. How about 11 p.m.? That is 23. So 4 is 4 o'clock in the morning. Take a look. 10 is 10 o'clock in the morning. 18 is 6 o'clock in the evening. And 23 is 11 o'clock at night. Okay, so take note on the difference between the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Another, I have here Ralph's birthday. Ralph starts counting down to his birthday. So this is 11:59 p.m. Monday. Okay, take a look. 11:59 p.m. Monday. So it's almost 12 midnight. 1 minute later is 12 a.m. So it's already Tuesday, Ralph's birthday. So the last minute of each day is 11:59 p.m. or 23:59. Remember these two times, they are the same. So the last minute of each day. When a new day begins, we start counting that time from midnight as 00 o'clock or midnight. Or this is a 24-hour clock, but if in a 12-hour clock, this is 12 a.m. I have here another problem. When does the bus arrive? A bus leaves station A at 23:30 on Wednesday. 1 hour later, it arrives at station B. So when does the bus arrive at station B? So 23:30 on Wednesday to 00 o'clock on Thursday is 30 minutes. Then 00 o'clock or 12 midnight on Thursday to 00:30 on Thursday is 30 minutes. So therefore, that is 1 hour. So 1 hour after 23:30 is 00:30 on Thursday. So the bus arrives at station B at 00:30 on Thursday. 00:30 children is in 24-hour clock notation. In 12-hour clock, that is 12:30 a.m. So this is a.m. Okay, they are the same time. Now let's go to lesson B. Use timetables in 12-hour and 24-hour notations. So the learning outcome for this lesson is to interpret and use the information in timetables for 12 and 24-hour clocks. So we have here Ralph's timetable. Take a look here. This is for Tuesday. So which class is just before lunch? Lunch, so the class before is art. Which class is just after English class? After English class is mathematics. So this is how to interpret the information in a timetable. Okay. Classify the activities that are happening in the morning and in the afternoon. So what are the activities or the subject of Ralph on Tuesday in the morning? So we have a different start of school. So the morning classes are English, math, recess or lunch break, physical education, and art. Because 12 is already noon time. Remember, afternoon time are already PM or the afternoon classes. So we have assembly, after school activities, and at 2:30 in the afternoon, Ralph will go home. So this is his timetable. Okay, I have here a problem. This is a swimming competition. Eddie is going for a swimming competition on Saturday. Below is the timetable for the competition. Take a look. Swimming competition on Saturday. So the opening speech for the swimming competition is at 9 a.m. The other activity in the morning is, yes, the swimming race for 8 to 10 years old, because this is the only activity before 12 noon. The other activity is already in the afternoon. So the times that come before 12 are in the morning. Remember, the activity or the time before 12 o'clock are in the morning, after 12 o'clock are in the afternoon or nighttime. Another problem, Eddie is going for an art workshop on Sunday. Below is his timetable for the workshop. Take a look the art workshop. So the coloring is in the afternoon at 13:10. This one coloring. The other activity in the afternoon is, yes, share your artwork. This is 14:45. So the activities in the morning are getting to know each other and drawing. So how can we tell which times are in the afternoon? By simply finding the 12 noon or the 12 o'clock. The activities before 12 noon are in the morning. The activities after the 12 noon or after 12 o'clock are in the afternoon. Now I have here a problem. Take a look, children. The timetable shows the time trains leave Sunset Station. So we have different times here and the cities or the destination. Please answer this problem. What time does the first train leave Sunset Station? So you are just simply choose from these 5 times. Which time or what time does the first train leave the Sunset Station? If you know the answer, write your answers in my question in Google Classroom. Okay, P4? Okay, P4, that's all about Lesson 1, telling time on digital and analog clocks, and Lesson 2, using the timetables in 12-hour and 24-hour notation. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching, children, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everybody and have a great day.